Welcome to triangle inequality. Remember, longer side, opposite, bigger angle. Shorter side, opposite, smaller angle. Which means, if the side in a triangle is the longest in length, that means it's gonna opposite the greatest angle. Let's look at a triangle ABC. 14 is the greatest. The largest is the smallest to largest. What we can do is list 8, 10, 14. Now let's check. 8 is AB. Okay, we're going to write down AB. And 10 is BC. And 14 is AC. Ask us to write down the side of the segment, so we need to add the bar on the top. Alright, 8 opposite angle C. So we're going to write angle C. 10 opposite angle A right here. So we're going to write angle A. And 14 opposite angle B. Let's get a different color. That's it. Same drill. We're going to write down the length from the smallest to the largest. We have 17, 18, and 25. 17 is segment FE. 18 is segment DE or ED. And 25 is segment FD or DF. Alright, let's look at the angle. 17 opposite angle D. And ED opposite angle F. And DF opposite angle E. We're done here. Okay, let's look at this triangle. LJK has a right angle here, so it's a right triangle. One of the angle measure is 32 degrees. This is a cute one. And what's this angle measure? We're going to do a simple calculation. But the theorem says in any right triangle, these two acute angles are always complementary. So 90 minus 32 gives us 58 degrees. So this missing angle is 58. Now, we can list the angle measure this time. So 32, 58, and 90. 32 is angle L, 58 angle K, and 90 is angle J. Now, we're going to write the length. Angle L opposite KJ. Angle K opposite JK. Angle KJL, I meant to say JL. Alright, and 90 degrees angle J opposite KL. Okay, let's check. We have JK and we have KJ, we have JL, we can LJ, and we have KL or LK. Alright, that is our first example in triangle inequality. Happy learning!